My name's Tabby Selvage, and I'm the head athletic trainer at Boyd County High School.
My name is DiLuca. I'm the assistant athletic trainer at Boyd County High School. I think it's important to have an athletic trainer at the school. Sometimes even two is important because we'll have days where there are two varsity sports going on at once, and you hear these stories all the time about kids that might be struggling with something that's chronic or long-term, or something that is acute that happens at the game. We're the first people to be there to figure out what's going on with them, try to come up with a diagnosis, and hopefully a way to treat them.
If it's a sports injury, it's really important that we're there to help guide them to where they need to go instead of just maybe going to an urgent care or even to the ER for a concussion, and then they have them follow up with the orthopedic doctor. So it's nice that we're there so they know where they need to go and eliminate some of the steps.
As far as covering for sports and everything, yes, we're always there during games. Sometimes we're there for practices for football, soccer, basketball, volleyball, it's varsity and JV. Some teams even have freshman teams, but then there's also the band, cheerleading, archery, golf.
And then sometimes even where I'm at the school during school hours, they'll just bring me students, especially if the school nurse isn't available that day. They'll bring them down if they're, if they fell down the stairs or if just anything's going on, they'll bring the kids to me. They may not be athletes, but they're still our students at Boyd County. Well, I'm employed through the school and I teach 2 classes, so I'm there during the school day, which really helps because it gives kids access to me instead of having to make an appointment or come to walk in or wait for someone to get there at practice. So I think it's nice that we have someone that's employed through the school, and then we also have someone that's here at the hospital so we can communicate better.
So I'm employed through King's Daughters in the orthopedic and sports medicine clinic, which is really nice because when the athletes do have something that's wrong, whether it be a concussion or something muscular, or even if they have some type of fracture, they can come to the walk-in clinic, and then that pairs me with Tabby at the school so we can figure out a good game plan for them. Student-athlete safety is one of our top priorities as an athletic trainer. For athletes and their return to play, depending on the injury and the severity of the injury, we like to take them through different exercises, different drills depending on their sport, sport-specific activities. Again, depending on the injury, we'll test their strength and their range of motion and their readiness to return to the sport.
It's really great to have a community partner like King's Daughters where Lauren can come and work with me out at Boyd County, and that's how we can keep our athletes safe and on the field.